So today we're doing the adventure boat that goes out around to the Nobbies to see some seals, hopefully. We just got to Cowes and got a juice at the Island Juicery. It was really good. And then went to what's called Penny Lane. Yeah. Penny Lane for, well, brunch, I guess. And yeah, that was really good. Definitely recommend going there. I got a burger, which was delicious, and Jason got scrambled eggs. So now we're just at the Cowes Jetty to get our boat. So that's the Cowes Jetty where we're going to catch our boat, and there's a massive cruise ship just passing by. What do you think of the boat, Jason?
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, seals were exciting.
There's way more than I thought, and the chick said there was like 6,000 to 8,000.
Yeah.
Like today there would have been. And the population was what, 16,000?
Something like that, yeah.
They were so cute, doing flips in the water and stuff, and got up really close. Actually spent a long time out there, and then like getting there, the waves were so big.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah, Glenn did a good job riding a few waves.
yeah, it was crazy. You just see them and you're like, holy shit, are we about to go over that? That was good. Would recommend to everyone. So we're at the Penguins. It's what, 7:30?
7:30.
Yeah. I don't think that we'll see any for about an hour probably, but hopefully we get a good seat before everyone else gets here. There's already a million people here and it's completely sold out tonight. So yeah. So we just finished up at the Penguins. It was really good, better than I expected. Yeah, you basically just go in. We got there at like 7:30 and just basically go sit on they've got like tiered seating, looking over the beach. Yeah, recommend to get there pretty early if you want to be sitting at the front, like probably 7 o'clock. And they predicted today that they would come in about 9 o'clock, the Penguins. Yeah, so they had it up on the board that last night they had nearly 2,000 penguins come in, and they started at about 9:07, so tonight was about the same. And yeah, you basically just watch them come in groups. They basically swim in, and then I'll like call out and to try and find other penguins that are coming in, because once they get to the water's edge, they have to basically like dash across the sand to get into the bushes and that, where they feel safer. So they're really scared to like cross the sand, and it's so cute. You like watch them, they'll find a little group and they'll stick together, and then they'll like go to run across the beach, and then they'll get scared like a seagull or something, and then they'll like all go back and like back into the water and then try again. We watched this one group probably do it 4 or 5 times. So cute. And they're so small, like I think they said 30 centimeters roughly, but they're friggin' tiny. Yeah, so then after about 10 minutes we went back up to the boardwalks, and you can actually see them basically walking under, like right underneath you and coming out front of the boardwalk to go find their burrows and stuff. And yeah, you can actually see so many, and the babies come out to get food off their parents, which is funny to watch as well. Yeah, and then we're talking to one of the rangers, and he was talking about the short-tailed shearwater birds that were flying up above. And it's actually, yeah, crazy how they migrate. They come from Alaska, come to Phillip Island, lay a single egg. They only lay 1 per year. Yeah, and look after it till it hatches, feeds the baby and all that, and then, yeah, make the 15,000 kilometre migration back to Alaska. And the birds, they literally fly in their sleep, and often the mum will go to Antarctica or somewhere else and then meet the chick that's migrating back to Alaska and meet it like in its flight path on the way home, which is just crazy. And then we also saw this other animal. We weren't really sure what it was to start with. Tiny little bilby looking thing with a little baby that was so small. And we asked one of the rangers, and he said it was a eastern barred bandicoot. Yeah, he says it's actually pretty rare to see them, like it's not very common. We actually saw those 2, and then later on we saw another one as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And we saw wallabies, and then obviously heaps of penguins, and yeah, it was really good. But way too many people. There was thousands of tourists. So I'm just taking Coda for a walk this morning. Down along the beach. You can take the dogs down there until 10 o'clock. There's so many dogs there. And then I was taking some photos of him, and he just took off. Like, he's still on the leash, but I somehow let go of it. And then he was just taking off towards these other dogs. I've literally shit myself because I knew he wouldn't come back. And then I somehow just managed to sprint and like grab the lead off the ground. So that was fun. No, he's actually been pretty good though, better than I thought with the other dogs. He's a bit scared of the waves, which is funny. Oh, the camera battery died, so I'll finish that now. But yeah, it's our last full day in Phillip Island. We're gonna go do the Cape Walk, which has got the pinnacles. It's a really pretty walk. I might try and get my drone up as well. And yeah, I'm gonna make a video on that as well. So if you come to Phillip Island, make sure you check out that video. I'll link it below. And yeah, the walk is definitely worth it. Did you have fun on the walk, darling? Hey? Hey? Yeah, shade.
Where's the car? What's about all that shade up there?
Yeah, just stay in the sun.
Oh, stay in the sun. Right.
Good.
Yeah. It's all fucked up.
Yeah.
Go. So, we're going right here. This is us.
Oh, yeah.
Fuckheads. This is us. Oh, look at us.
Steven focus.
Can't see. Fucking blind the sun. The sun's killing me, man. Look at the gob on it.
Give me in it. Hurry up. Hey, stupid.
Look at here. What are you saying?
Let's grab the penguins.
Oh yeah, we're going to the penguins. Yeah, man.
Just go and do it real. go to Antarctica while the baby, I don't know, while the egg. Anyway, whatever. Cut. And then
we're here, parked up for the night. So it looks like a humble abode. So we'll park up here and
secret vlog of Jason.
yeah, that's exactly right. And there's the dog. Up. Oi.
Say hello to the
Oi.
vlog. Say hello to the
Oi.
vlog.
Ahoy! Ahoy, sailor.
He loves the car.
Anyway, yeah, no, this dog actually swims to Antarctica too. Makes his annual migration to Antarctica. Yeah, a bit of, yeah, originally originated from Alaska, but
Siberia.
Siberia. He's
husky.
a Siberian husky, but ends up in Antarctica, or as far as south as Phillip Island, I think. But you know, like, we do like to have stories about the dog because, you know, he's one of a kind. You don't see many dogs swim from Antarctica to Phillip Island every year. So same time every year. You know, Boxing Day he'll start to make the trip and gets a bit puffed by the time he gets to Tasmania. So he usually climbs up into Hobart and gets on the Spirit and yeah, makes his way over here, I suppose. Anyway, that'll be us done for the night. Ahoy to all you sailors out there. We'll see you in the next one.